Pwede ba? Uy, wala ka ba?
Good morning to everyone. Let us do things as my group as we present our group conversation. Our conversation is about four friends
Singkasanting bag mo.
who's in the arcade and they are buying something.
Genesis.
We're going to
Hindi.
the arcade.
Ito Genesis din to eh. Art.
Yeah, sure. I'd love to.
I'm going to buy some
Yung
jumper
uniform
and
nito? Di ba kay ano yan?
Oh,
Hermes.
are you aware with
The uniform. Oo nga, yung bag mo.
That's complicated.
Kasi, what that ko kasi.
Are you aware with the fashion series with us?
Pencils. Pencils are very expensive. Sneakers if you want.
I don't really call it a fashion, and I don't really care.
Sorry.
As they were in the arcade, the four ladies are decided to buy something. By the way, where's Tony? I mean, so we're done. So we're done.
Eh, po tayo na meet up, Baken.